I'm Bill Hardy, Senior Partner of Hardy, Wolf & Downing. Let's say that you want to hire us to represent you for a personal injury case. What is it like to be a client of Hardy, Wolf & Downing? What are the steps that you go through in the process? Well, let's talk about that. In the first place, you come in to see us, and we have an office in Lewiston and an office in Portland. If you're disabled by your injuries or any other reason, we can arrange to meet you at your house or any other place that's convenient for you. We want to make sure that the first experience is comfortable. And that first experience, the first interview, the first phone calls, answering all of your questions is free to you. We don't charge you at all. You can make a decision once all your questions have been answered whether you want us to help you with this. Once the decision is made that we're going to take on your case, you have a different job to do. Then your only job is to get better. You don't have to collect reports, you don't have to get medical reports, you don't have to get pictures, you don't have to do any of that stuff. We'll take care of all that. You just get yourself better, go see the doctors as you need to, get whatever therapy is required, and start the process of healing. When you get to the point where your treatment has ended, where you've gone as far as you can go in the healing process, you're either completely better or at least you've gone as far as you can go, then it's time to talk about settlement. To do that, you come in and see us. We show you all the medical records that we have. We discuss all of your options. We talk about your loss of future earning capacity, your loss of enjoyment of life, your pain and suffering, any scarring that you have, all of the things that go into deciding how much a case is worth. Then you and I will make a decision as to how much the case is worth. And we will start the process of negotiating with the insurance company only after that. You will be in charge at every stage of the negotiating process. We will do the negotiating, but it will be your decision as to how much to settle for and why. In a very few cases, it's necessary to take it further. We may file suit. We may actually have to go to court in a very small percentage of cases. That's something that we can explain to you at that time, and that decision will be yours also, whether and to what extent you want to take the case through court. After this has been resolved, after we've gotten a successful result in court or a successful result in negotiations, then the good part comes. At that point, you and I will sit down and I will hand you a check. And that check will be for the total amount of the settlement that's available for you. You won't have to worry about paying any expenses. You won't have to worry about paying any medical liens. You won't have to worry about paying any medical charges. Those will all be taken care of by us before we get to that point, and you will get a check that's yours. We look forward to a happy result for you, knowing that you've gone through a difficult time and that injuries are difficult things to endure. But we believe if we can get a good result for you, it'll end well.